High-frequency, high-voltage, high-speed motors. Shaft current is corroding your bearings. Motor shutdown, increased noise, frequent failures. The invisible killer is right beside you. This road per RW series shaft grounding ring. Advanced metallized carbon fiber material. Builds a low-resistance physical path for shaft current. Solve the problem of shaft current corrosion effectively. Resistant far below 1 ohm. Single fiber bundle can withstand tensile tests exceeding 100 N. Stable waveformance, low resistance, long-lasting durability, no fiber shedding, no failures. Under 0.2 mm wear after 300,000 km driving. Round, segment, custom shapes for all motor types. Still stable in extreme environments. Patented technology, internationally certified, widely used in wind power generation, industrial motors, customer sites. Quality you can trust. Volsun, protecting motor safety. Stop VFD bearing failure before it stops your motor.